Satakshi here with 30 GK bio-related questions. Before we start, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's start, friends. Which of the following is a large blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart? Vein, artery, capillary, nerve. B. Artery is the correct answer. Which of the following is not a member of the vitamin B complex? Thiamine, riboflavin, folic acid, ascorbic acid. D. Ascorbic acid is the correct answer. Fungi are plants that lack oxygen, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, none of these. C. Chlorophyll is the correct answer. What makes a reptile a reptile? Cold-blooded, warm-blooded, non-hearing, egg-laying. D. Egg-laying is the correct answer. Which blood vessel have the smallest diameter? Capillaries, arterioles, venules, lymphatic. E. Capillaries is the correct answer. Which of the following is an airborne disease? Measles, typhoid, pink eye, and none of these. Measles. A is the correct answer. Which organ of the body produces the fluid known as liver, pancreas, gallbladder, kidney? Liver produces the bile. A is the correct answer. Which of the following hormone is a steroid? Estrogen, glucagon, insulin, oxytocin. A. Estrogen is the correct answer. Which one is important in photosynthesis to allow plants to absorb energy from light? Xanthophyll, carotene, chlorophyll, phaeophytin. C. Chlorophyll is the correct answer. Who is known as father of modern genetics? Charles Darwin, Louis Pasteur, Gregor Mendel, Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. C. Gregor Mendel is the correct answer. Who is known as father of modern microbiology? Alexander Fleming, Dmitri Mendeleev, Hugo de Vries, Louis Pasteur. D. Louis Pasteur is the correct answer. The smallest unit that is capable of carrying out life function is known as tissue, cell, blood, DNA. B. Cell is the correct answer. Which vitamin is necessary for blood clotting? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin D. Vitamin K is the correct answer. RNA differ from DNA in having thymine, adenine, uracil and guanine. C. Uracil is the correct answer. What is the name of the sugar found in milk? Glucose, fructose, lactose, none of these. Lactose is the correct answer. Which one is the largest gland in human body? Liver, thyroid, pituitary and intestine. A. Liver is the largest gland in human body. Correct answer. Which one is found in a pair in each chromosome? Genes, nuclei, bases, chromatids. D. Chromatids is the correct answer. How many chambers does a human heart? 2 chamber, 4 chamber, 6 chamber, 7 chamber. 4 chamber is the correct answer. The muscle which separates the right side and left side of heart is known as keratin, maxilla, septum, tubercles. C. Septum is the correct answer. Entomohistolytica is a virus, protozoan, fungus, bacteria. B. Protozoan is the correct answer. What is the pH value of range of human blood? 7.1, 7.15, 7.45 to 7.55, 7.2 to 7.28, 7.35 to 7.45. D. 7.35 to 7.45 is correct answer. The scientific study of how organisms interact with their environment is called ecology, evolution, zoology, and none of these. This is ecology. A is the correct answer. How many vertebrae found in human vertebral column? 22, 25, 33, 42. C. 33 is the correct answer. How many pair of chromosomes are found in human cell? 18, 23, 27 and 32. B. 23 is correct answer. The radiocarbon dating process was presented by Willard Levy, Martin Kamen, Melvin Calvin, Sam Rubin. Willard Levy is the correct answer. Which one is the longest bone in human body? Tibia, fibula, radius, femur. D. Femur is the correct answer. Nitrogen fixation process in the soil is done by virus, bacteria, fungi and protozoa. B. Bacteria is the correct answer. Through nitrogen fixation process, nitrogen in the atmosphere is converted into ammonium, hydroxide, nitrate, chloride. A. Ammonium is the correct answer. Amoeba belongs to which group? Protozoa, bacteria, fungi and none of these. A. Protozoa is the correct answer. Protein synthesis in bacterial cell is done by centrioles, flagella, thylakoids and ribosomes. D. Ribosomes is the correct answer. So we have completed all the questions. Now let's take a glass and revise these questions and by heart all these questions in this video only. Which of the following is a large blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart? Artery. Which of the following is not a member of the vitamin B complex? Ascorbic acid. Fungi are plants that lack chlorophyll. What makes a reptile a reptile? Egg-laying. Which blood vessels have the smallest diameter? Capillaries. Which of the following is an airborne disease? Measles. Which organ of the body produces the fluid known as bile? Liver. Which of the following hormone is steroid? Estrogen. Which one is important in photosynthesis to allow plant to absorb energy from light? Chlorophyll. Who is known as father of modern genetics? Gregor Mendel. Who is known as father of modern microbiology? Louis Pasteur. The smallest unit that is capable of carrying out life function is known as cell. Which vitamin is necessary for blood clotting? Vitamin K. RNA differs from DNA in having uracil. What is the name of the sugar found in milk? Lactose. Which one is the largest gland of human body? Liver. Which one is found in the pair of in each chromosome? Chromatids. How many chambers does the human heart have? 4. The muscle which separates the right side and left side of heart is known as septum. Entamoeba histolytica is a protozoan. What is the pH value range of human blood? 7.35 to 7.45. The scientific study of how organisms interact with their environment is called ecology. How many vertebrae found in human vertebral column? 33. How many pair of chromosomes are found in human cell? 23. The radiocarbon dating process was presented by Willard Levy. Which one is the longest bone in human body? Femur. Nitrogen fixation process in the soil is done by bacteria. Through nitrogen fixation process, nitrogen in the atmosphere is converted into ammonium. Amoeba belongs to which group? Protozoa. Protein synthesis in a bacterial cell is done by ribosomes. Thank you for watching, friends. I hope this video was interesting and don't forget to subscribe and like. I will catch you in the next video.